Good evening, guys. Good evening, everyone. I hope you're doing well. So we return again in a new video. We talk about the insurance or retirement website that is located in France. A lot of people in Morocco, Tunisia, and Algeria, they face problems when they want to send the appropriate documents that they ensure that they still live, they still exist. They always ask you a lot of papers and documents they needed. So this is the easy way and how you do it. Before this, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more information. Thank you so much. Like here we have an issue or a problem in the website. He don't accept or he don't receive any messages or he don't receive any documents and he still are now not working and he have some issue. There is alternative, of course. We see here, we go here now. This is the other website, aid info retraite, this FR, of course. So this is the retirement official website for the retired pupil. Okay, now we go here, you see this. Okay, let's go. Now we see the list. Of course, I have issue or problem. I want to send my certification and certificates for life that I still live, of course. Okay, life, not live, life. Okay, now we go here. This is the question. My pension is suspended. It does mean that I was a little bit late in sending the appropriate documents. Okay, now we see they take me to other page. Of course, I fill my name here like Arno Habib, and here Shahad. Okay, here the number of social code. Okay, like an example, I will put this in example. It is just an example. Okay, nom d'usage. Okay, here I will write the appropriate document that I want. The format here, the date. Okay, 2000. Okay, so we have 2025, of course, and I put my email here, and here it is so important. So I will write the issue that I am facing or the problem that I'm facing, and they will respond soon as possible. Pretty much that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope we have benefited you. Don't forget to subscribe and follow, and thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We see you in the next video. Thank you so much and goodbye.